want to get?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get in this line of traffic.
What are we getting in the traffic to do?
Drive east. '1974 Ford F600. Just in case we ever feel the need to tow our house or something that size.
So in front of me, as you guys can see, is the 1974 Ford F600 box truck. One thing we need to do, because they're a little squishy, is take care of the brakes. So we're having to take the long way home, which is a little scary. Now here's a funny for you. See you at the end point. Well, what happened yesterday?
Well,
After
I got used to the unsynchronized gears of a 1974 F600, and it was humming along just fine. Got just south of the way station, south of Harrisonville, and it started sputtering a little bit. Couldn't keep my eyes on the gauges because, you know, it's a 1974 F600, and so the dash lights don't work. So once I got just south of the Appleton City exit, it's another 25-30 miles. It died out, and when I shined the light on the dash, there was no oil pressure. So that was empty. Ran to Rich Hill, grabbed 6 quarts of oil, dumped it in, got it to turn over a couple times. Realized the battery was drawing too much. Gave up for the night, left it sitting in the dark.
there they are. Finally. Oh no.
Coast it in, brother, coast it in. Oh! Did you get it on camera?
That happened. I was worried about getting hit by something.
He bounced. Hi, baby.
Well, it's home. At least we can work on it now.
It's every Sunday song.
So what do you got to say, baby?
Well, that was a fun ride.
Huh?
I need overalls like you to drive this thing.
What do you have to do to get it home?
Well, me and Ross spent a lot of time underneath the engine. Oh, he spent more time underneath. I just kept trying to start it. Kept turning over, dive, turn over, dive, turn over, dive, turn over, dive.
So what happened finally?
Turn over and stay running. I don't know what I was doing. January of 2019.
So it's been snow sitting there for 2 years.
The woman was sitting on it. Then it went to auction. The guy bought it. He got it sometime in 2020, so it's been sitting there. Yesterday was the first time it's been on a highway and actually running. There's probably all kind of deposits getting thrown around in that engine.
And it drove for 4 hours, pretty much.
Just listen to it.
Yeah.
It doesn't sound like
No, it doesn't sound
It
bad.
doesn't sound like junk at all.
No.
You hit Mom Street.
It's all right.
Yeah, that was you hit Mom Street.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure what that was like.
I think you
don't
bounced.
care. I'm not stopping here.
No, I wouldn't stop.
Yeah, glad it's home. Thank you, Ross.
Thanks, bud. Appreciate it.
Charge your battery and change that alternator. That's what it is.
Wow.
Listen to it run. died out. And I'm like, really? And there's a state trooper right on the other side of the bridge. Ross turns and makes a U-turn and comes back around. You stand there, and here comes the cop. I'm stalled, blocking a semi and another car, and the cop doesn't even look at me. He just goes around and puts me on Ross.
You guys okay? And I'm like, yeah. He goes down, pops his head. He's like, oh, you need help? And right when he said that, he pulled out.
Yeah, that's why I'm like, can I go?
Yeah, and then I had to drive over to the fire truck because I wasn't going to do U-turn.
Yeah.
Drive home, watched bridges, watched trees, and nail the mama's tree coming into the driveway. That's what happened.